42A Pitama Road, cute and convenient, kind of like us.
Since when have you been convenient? Anyhow, great house, 2 great bedrooms, office, bus stop outside. Come and have a look.
Fab living space, so much light, and of course if you're wanting a separate dining, you've got that too.
Gorgeous brand new kitchen and lots of storage.
Large updated bathroom, wet floor shower, so easy to clean.
Fabulous bedroom and glorious sun streaming in.
For a 2-bedroom home, this is not small because you've even got an office come spare room, anything you want it to be, and gorgeous sun.
This is a glorious sunny deck, perfect for a vino or a coffee.
I know, we do quite like a little vino though, don't we? And look at the sun, oh, so good and private. Come on down to the open home, give us a call. We're Polly and Nina, the PNN in Palmy North Real Estate.